Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. This week, or this year, we're going to try to take a challenge and come up with some solutions for it for our tech tip. So this week's challenge is getting everyone in your classroom on the same web page. And there's a couple ways you can do this. First of all, if you're using Google Classroom, you can share it to Classroom. If it's a web page that I'm going to use just one time, like the Camas School District homepage, if I want them all to get there and I don't want to tell them to search for it, of course, there's other ways you can push out web pages. I'm going to copy that URL, go into my class, and I'm in my stream, and I want to share something with my class. And I might say, open this site. And then I can click on link. I can put the URL, add that link in, post it, and all my students who are hopefully already in my classroom can click on it. The next solution would be to use your GoGuardian teacher to push that out and open it on everybody's screen at once. It doesn't require any clicking by students, just the teacher. So I'm currently in an active GoGuardian session. And if you select all of your students here by checking the boxes or select all, the Open tab comes up at the top. I'll click Open tab. I'll paste in my Camas School District webpage URL, and I click Open tab. And now if you watch the screen, it's opening the tab on the student screens for every student in my class. Another solution to this problem might be posting to your class website. Now, if it's a link that I want students to get to over and over again, I might want to embed it in my website. So I can do that by creating a button on my website, and I'm just going to put CSD for the button. And I'm going to paste that link for Camas School District there. And I click Insert, and it makes a button that students can click on when the site is live. I could also insert it with text. If I just paste the URL there and hit return, it turns it into a hyperlink. I can write Camas. I can highlight it, click this link button, and turn just that word into the hyperlink. Or I could choose to embed the entire website. So I'm going to put the URL, and maybe I pick the whole page, and it would embed that whole entire page in my website, and students could view it from my site. So just a couple little tricks about embedding them in your website if you're using Google Sites. Another way to push out a website would be to use a URL shortener. Now you may have seen short bit links before, like on the back of all of our laptops and Chromebooks, you can do bit.ly/Camas Chrome to find our Chromebook website. It's free to create. Mine is created with my school username and password. So I come over here and click Create, and I paste the long URL in, which is the Camas one. Now it's going to give me a bit.ly with some random things here, but what if I change it to T3 example? And then it's going to tell me if that's been taken. It hasn't. I click Save. And it's been edited. It is case sensitive. So if I click up here and I type in bit.ly, T3 example, it should, if it works right, take me straight to the Camas School District website. And that's a great tool to use if you're presenting and you have people with devices, but you don't want them to have to do a whole bunch of clicks to get to your information. So which solution do you like the most? bit.ly, posting it to your website, pushing it out with GoGuardian Teacher, or sharing it to Classroom? Let us know if you have another great solution, or even if you have another challenge that you'd like us to address. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to watch all of our T3 videos. Have a great Tuesday.